Okay, honors chemistry students, we are going to do some more practice on significant figures today. So the first thing I want to do is talk about, let's see if I can get my camera to be a little bit better than it was. I actually put it on my face. So the first thing I want to talk about is basically how we determine how many significant figures there are. So I got a worksheet made up by Math Aids. It's a really good little website to help you make new worksheets and things that will help you with basic math skills. So I just made up some worksheets for significant figures. So let's look at number 1 here. So if I look at number 1, I've got a couple of zeros here. The 0 here in the middle between the 6 and the 7 is definitely significant. This 0 at the end here, though, because I have no decimal point in that number, that means that that last 0 after the 7 is not significant. So for number 1, I would have 3 significant numbers. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be able to actually mark this because this is an Adobe document, and I'm having troubles with marking this quickly. Let's see, tools. Let's see if I can comment. Okay, let's comment. Let's make a comment. It's not going to let me highlight this one. Anyway, so number 1, we're going to have 3 significant digits because this last 0 right here is not significant because there's no decimal point. Let's look at number 2. Notice we only have one number here that is a non-zero number. This times 10 to the negative 3 just tells us how big or small that number is. So we will have one significant digit on number 2. Number 3, we do have a decimal point in this, and the 0 is after the non-zero numbers. So that means this 0 is significant. So in number 3, we are going to have 3 digits that are significant. Number 4, our 0 is in between non-zero numbers, so that means it is significant. So on number 4, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits that are significant. Number 5, we've got all kinds of zeros going on. So we've got zeros here before the non-zero number. We've got decimals, and we've got zeros after the non-zero number. So the zeros before the non-zero number are just placeholders. So these first 3 zeros are just placeholders. This last 0 right here is actually significant. So we'll take that 4 right here, and we will take this 0 at the very end, and those will be significant. So on number 5, we will have 2 digits that are significant. Number 6, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits that are significant, all non-zero numbers, so they're all significant. Number 7, we have 3 digits that are significant. This 0 at the end, once again, it's after the non-zero numbers, and I have a decimal. So that means that 0 is significant. Okay, number 8. All of these numbers here are non-zero numbers, so they're all significant. So I will have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits in number 8 that are significant. Number 9, these are all non-zero numbers, so they are all significant. So I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits that are significant. And number 10, once again, 2 numbers, both of them non-zero, so they're both significant. So on number 10, I would have 2 digits that are significant. Hopefully that answers some of your questions and gives you some examples. We are going to do a little video on multiplication and division, and I will also do another video on addition and subtraction. And hopefully that will work. Talk to you later. Bye.